Have you ever wondered about the humble clove sitting in your spice rack? Just a small, dried flower bud, yet packed with a punch of flavors and health benefits. You'll commonly find cloves in cuisines, traditional medicines, or perhaps as an old remedy for toothaches. But is there more to this spice than meets the eye? Dive into the comments and share your experience with cloves. If you enjoy content related to health and well-being, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now delve into the world of cloves and their amazing health benefits. Cloves, these tiny powerhouses of health, are packed with a substance called eugenol. This potent compound gives cloves their remarkable anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. So, whether you're dealing with an ulcer, candida, or worms, a daily infusion of cloves could be just what you need to alleviate those troublesome symptoms. But the benefits of cloves don't stop at combating infections. They're also your allies in the fight against stress. By adding a few cloves to your daily cup of green tea, you're not just enhancing the flavor, you're promoting your overall well-being. And gentlemen, listen up. Recent studies suggest that cloves could give your testosterone levels a healthy boost. It's an easy, natural way to support men's health. Moving on, cloves are a treasure trove of nutrients that fortify your immune system. Adding them to your diet could reduce your risk of falling prey to infections. And if you're watching your blood sugar levels, cloves might be your new best friend. They help regulate both blood sugar and insulin, contributing to glycemic stability. Let's not forget about respiratory health. Cloves are known to prevent infections and offer relief from symptoms of the common cold and asthma. But wait, there's more. They can also aid in weight loss by reducing hunger and providing a feeling of satiety, thanks to their fiber content. For those concerned about liver function and detoxification, cloves have got you covered. They improve liver function and fat metabolism, making them an essential part of liver health. And they're a boon for your bones too, providing essential manganese for bone formation and density. The health benefits of cloves are truly remarkable, aren't they? The humble clove is more than just a spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, a natural remedy, a stress reliever, and so much more. So the next time you see cloves, remember they're not just for flavoring your food, they're a secret weapon for your health. Despite their benefits, cloves aren't for everyone. Certain individuals need to tread carefully when it comes to this spice. Pregnant women, for instance, should limit their clove intake as it can induce uterine contractions and potentially lead to premature labor. Children under the age of 14 are also advised to avoid cloves, as their bodies are still developing and might react adversely to certain substances found in this spice. People with bleeding disorders need to exercise caution as well. The eugenol in cloves can slow blood clotting, which may increase the risk of bleeding in these individuals. If you fall into any of these categories, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding cloves to your diet or health regime. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another, and it's always best to listen to your body. To wrap things up, let's do a quick recap. Cloves, with their potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, offer a plethora of health benefits. From aiding digestion and boosting testosterone levels to improving respiratory health and strengthening the immune system, cloves truly pack a punch. However, it's crucial to use them judiciously and seek medical advice if you're unsure. Remember, your health is your wealth. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay healthy and see you soon.